Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to remove photo widget from home screen on iPhone. So if you want to remove the photo widget from your iPhone home screen, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove your iPhone photo widget from the home screen, all you need to do is press and hold the home screen until you see all the widgets wiggling. Locate the photo widget and click on the edit button or the remove button. Then once you click on choose spot that says remove photo widget. To remove the photo widget, go ahead and click on remove. And then you are good. Then go ahead and click on done at the top right, and that is it. You can now go ahead, drag and drop other apps to the home screen or add another widget to replace the photo widget on your iPhone home screen like this. And then you are good. Then you can just rearrange, click on done at top right, and that is it. So that is basically how to remove or delete photo widget from home screen on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.